little bear. Come back.
Again!
Oh, little bear.
Yes, I know a cold when I see one.
Sorry.
Bigger and better. Oh no, keep away! That's better. No more sneezy Oakley.
Oakley sneezing? Why?
It's not safe out there. It's not safe in here. Not if you're a tower of bricks. I'll soon see to that. Acorns, stop being silly. There. Huh. You see? Easy when you know how. Ah. Oh, thanks, Bluebird.
Well, you're a bit cleaner, sort of.
Yes, but isn't he still a teensy-weensy bit?
Smelly!
It's the bathtub for you, young bear.
No!
You could have a squirt of my homemade perfume instead.
Nice.
I made it. I'm wearing it myself.
Yuck! Don't come any closer. He possesses gale for sneezes. Oh!
She's right. You've never heard sneezes like these.
Again!
How bad can one little sneeze be?
I think you're about to find out.
Sorry. Again.
Here you go then, little bear. Hold on tight.
Oh, sorry, Holly.
Holly, are you all right? I think so. We'd better check everyone else is safe. Raggles, and there's Will, and Big Bear, and... Where's Little Bear?
He was here a moment ago. Hold on tight.
Little Bear!
Oakley's sneeze has blown him away.
Will, get the ghost speeder. Raggles, the twooter. Follow that kite.
It was fun.
I can't see him. Oh, which way?
We've lost him. There he is.
He's landing. Hang on, little bear.
Oh, we'll never find him.
Shh. Listen. Safi! You've got him.
Phew. Thank you, Safi. Ooh, let's be getting you down, little bear.
I think we found what's making you sneeze, Oakley.
Oh, quick, before he does it again. What is it?
You!
What?
Every time Oakley sneezed, you were flying around near him. I think it's your feathers.
My feathers, my beautiful feathers.
They are beautiful, but Safi said what's nice to some people can be...
Horrid?
No, not nice to others.
Nonsense! Everyone loves my feathers. They even smell wonderful. Now Holly sprayed them with her perfume.
Perfume? Yes. Smell for yourself. Take cover, everyone!
Fly! Fly for your lives!
Okay, Oakley, let it rip!
I'm so sorry, Oakley. I never meant to tickle your nose with my perfume.
It's not your fault, Holly. I've had a sensitive nose ever since I was a sapling. In fact, I can smell something right now. Oh, I think it's time we had that bath, don't you?
No!
You can have Bubbles and a duck.
Duck!
It might be an idea if you had a bath too. You don't want your perfume making Oakley sneeze again. Good idea, Rosie. Come on, Bluebird. You can have a bath at my house.
Oh, okay. But I want the top end. Aren't you going to play anything, Rosie?
My singing voice is my instrument, Raggles. Oops, I think I need a little more practice. Oh, I can't wait for us all to play together. We'll be like one big band.
We can't be a band. We haven't got a name.
What about Rosie and the Hum-Hums?
No, the Raggles Rag Band or the Wild Whistle Band.
We need something that sounds like the music we make.
The really horrible squeaks.
What's wrong, Bluebird?
Saffy gave me these pan pipes, and I don't want to let her down on her big day, but I don't know how to play them.
Oh, don't worry, Bluebird. I'm sure that if you practice and don't give up, you'll play those panpipes perfectly.
Of course I'll be perfect.
Perhaps you could try blowing into them? Little acorns, it's not nice to laugh at Bluebird.
Do you mind?
Remember, Bluebird, practice makes perfect.
Come on, Big Bear.
I'll be right there. Oh! Playing the spoons is tricky.
I think it's easier if you only play 2 spoons at a time, Big Bear.
Oh!
That's it, Big Bear.
Whoops!
Let's keep practicing, Big Bear.
Ooh.
Toodle, toodle, more toodle!
They are not tootles. They are panpipes.
More toodles!
You're putting me off. Ugh. I'll have to go and find somewhere else to practice. Hi, Oakley.
Since you won't be able to join us later, we thought we'd come to play and sing for you.
Oh, how wonderful. As the oldest tree in the garden, I know how important this day is for Saffy.
I hope she likes our playing. Ready, Raggles?
Oh, beautiful.
Well, you spoilt our tune.
Oh, sorry. Come on, let's get started.
OK, from the top. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Why have you stopped?
You're too noisy.
Oh, perfect.
Not quite, Oakley. We still haven't got a name for our band.
Let's see if everyone's ready.
Good luck, everyone.
Listen, what's that?
cool instrument.
This is a very special instrument given to me by Safi. They're called Tootle, 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 more Tootle. Stop that! If you're all going to laugh at me, then I'm not playing.
But Bluebird, we weren't laughing at you. We were laughing at the little acorns.
Tootle, Tootle.
I think we've upset Bluebird. We can't be a band without her.
Leave me alone! Clink, clink, clink!
Listen! Bluebird made the chime sound.
Wow! I did?
Yes! Bluebird, if you flap your wings and make wind for the chimes, Safi could join in after all.
Flap my wings? What about my panpipes? What Rosie means is you could conduct the other instruments, like this. A conductor? Of course I'll do it.
Great! And thanks to the little acorns, I've got a name for our band too. Let's start our performance of Music on the Wind by the Tootle Plinks.
Perfect.
This is the happiest of many happy days. In the garden with my friends and the best music on the wind I've ever heard.
My kazoo! Oh, thanks, little acorns. Rosie, do you think if I practice like Bluebird, I can learn something new too?
Yes, I'm sure Oakley's right. Practice makes perfect.
What do you think, Rosie?
Perfect, Raggles.